Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 6.5 of Pre-Algebra Math, Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 available here. 6.5, Similarity and Measurement. So we have a 30-point skill sheet today, and we have 4 points here of notebook. Okay, today's spell work is number 1 is multiple choice. If quadrilateral ABCD is congruent to quadrilateral GHEF, which angle must be congruent to C? Students, here's your choice. And then tablecloth spread over 5 by 3 foot rectangular table. Students, 1 foot beyond is tablecloth similar to the surface of the table. Explain. So teachers, give your students 5 minutes here. Okay, welcome back. Our solutions up here will be A up here, A, B, C. This would be E here. It's the same order as C, and then down here, length of tablecloth, width of tablecloth. So this is our proportion that we set up here, and the length of tablecloth is this, and width is that. So set our proportion. 25 does not equal 21. Tablecloth is not similar to the surface of the table because the ratios are different. So that would be a good solution to number. Okay, into our lesson today, you've identified similar figures. You'll find unknown side lengths of similar figures. So in this situation here, we're talking about a cactus, 6 feet tall. A man 6 feet tall is standing near a cactus. So this is your notebook, students, page 1 of your notebook for this lesson here. The length of the man's shadow is 2 feet. The cactus casts shadow 5 feet. How tall is the cactus? So how would we solve this? We'll find out. Okay, so given ABCD is similar to EFGH, ABCD is similar to EFGH, find EH. So EH would be, well, we don't know. Let's take a further look here. Here is EH here, and then GH, and these two are similar here. So use the ratios of the lengths of corresponding sides to write a proportion involving the unknown length EH. So in this case here, BC over FG, BC over FG equals AD over EH. So AD over EH. So those are proportions we're going to use. And then 12 over 30 equals 16 over x. So to solve, how will we solve for x? We cross multiply, and we get 12x equals 30 times 16. 12x equals 480, x equals 40. So the length of EH would be 40 inches. So in this guide of practice, we have triangles, 2 similar triangles here. Students, pay attention so you can do yours down here. Find DF, which is this right here. This is our x here. So let's set up a proportion so we can do that. And here's our proportion here. SU over DF equals TU over EF. So we have 35 over x equals 45 over 36. So once we do that, we solve for x. We get 28 equals x. Cross multiply. Length of DF would be 28 millimeters. And students, this is yours here. Indirect measurement, you can use similar figures to find lengths that are difficult to measure directly. This is that are. This is your notebook, page 5, students. So this is these two words are that are, lengths that are difficult to measure directly. And then say, for example, here, example 2, we got a cactus here. Then we have a man, it looks like, that's 6 feet tall. The cactus and the man are perpendicular to the ground. The sun's rays strike the cactus and the man at the same angle. So we're not going to use trigonometry, we're going to use proportions here. Write and solve a proportion to find the height h in feet of the cactus. So we know the man's 6 feet, and do we have measures of their shadow yet? So height of cactus over height of man equals what? Height of cactus over height of man equals length of cactus shadow equals length of man shadow. So we have shadow lengths here of 5 feet. The man shadow is 2 feet here. So the man shadow is 2 feet. So h over 6, height of cactus, we don't know. We want to find that out. H over 6 equals 5 over 2. So we have a form proportion here with height and shadow lengths. And then to do this, we cross multiply. 2h equals 6 times 5, and then 2h equals 30, and then h equals 15. So the height of the cactus would be 15 using this model here of finding height. Okay, a cactus is 5 feet tall and cast shadow 1.5. How tall is the nearby cactus? A cast shadow of 8 feet. So, and then students, this is yours down here. You have the height of a girl, then the height of a rock. So 21 feet long. How, this is just not how, it's 21 feet long, the rock, the shadow. So a girl standing near the rock is 5 feet 3, cast shadow of 7 feet. So there's your proportion there for your independent practice. Okay, up here our guided practice. This would be the proportion that you set up, height of cactus, height of nearby cactus, and then length of the cactus shadow over the length of the nearby cactus shadow. We want to know the height of the nearby, so we do a 5 over h equals 1.5 over 8. Then we solve for h here, and we have 26 and 2/3 equals h. So 26 feet 8 inches tall for the height of the nearby cactus, and that is lesson 6.5, part 1, part 2, part 3, available at this email. Thank you.